Okay. I'll move this out of the way. And I'll get my first miter angle on. Or as close as I need to be. Since this is going to be inside the legs and nobody's going to see this, it doesn't have to be perfect. So this is actually the perfect thing to work on miters with. Okay. And now, I'll take my tape measure. Measure to 12.5. The miter box is a precision instrument, and the back saw is, so I don't need to worry about waste on that. Actually, if I can just find my tape measure, which I don't see. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I wonder how many of you are yelling like, hey idiot, you left it on your tool chest. So?
I didn't capture that with the camera.
That's okay. It's easy to get frazzled and lose stuff. Alright, so 12.5. Okay. Mark it 12.5. And get the combination square. Just right here. Mark. Now, since that's coming this way, this will have to come in the other way. So you'll line it up here. Okay, with your pencil mark. Then mark your line. Okay. Now you'll set these down. Bring it back over to your saw. And you have markings going both ways. When you saw this, you want to stay on the outside of your line. Okay. So let me find it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now. Alright, I got a little bit off my line, so I'll have to take my block plane and remove some of the waste to get it to the line. But that gives you the idea. And I would then, if I could, square this up, or even take another cut off of here, kind of give it a more square cut. And then I would measure it out. And just like I did this one, and then once that was done, I would take it and just mark it on both sides, so I know I was keeping it square for its final width, which is going to be 2 inches, and then use my plane and plane it down. And once this dries, I'll square up this edge, this end, measure down to my final length, take it off here, and since it's already at width that I need, I don't have to do anything more to it. So, that ends this episode. I'll see you next time. Bye.